Good morning, good morning, good morning. Day number 3. We just had breakfast at the Three Bears Lodge. Boy, it's beautiful out here this morning. Absolutely gorgeous. I'm ready to get after it. We're gonna go fill up with gas. We're gonna get everything done, and we're gonna do it again. You gotta get gas, because Lord knows you don't want to forget your gas in the your snowmobiles. These suckers actually have a little bit more gas than what we intended on to have. So you know what? Let's give a big shout out to someone. How about the Get Set Upside app? All you gotta do is just put your card in, go to the gas pump, you just pick one, and put your gas in, then you just get your cash back. I think Miranda, I think she's got, what, about $100? So, actually over $100. So, Upside, if you want to sponsor this video, you know, we pay for our snowmobile gas. So, well, it's a beautiful day out here. Still in the world right now. I think we looked yesterday, and the population in this town's right at about 1,200. So, I'm ready to get riding. Let's do this. Let's do this.
Let's do it.
Hey, drift it. Are you okay? Hey, hey, you good? You good? You good? It's okay, come here, it's okay. It's okay, it's okay. Shh, it's okay, come here, it's okay.
I got to turn over.
No, it's fine. Shh, just take a breath, take a breath.
Turn over.
Take a breath. What happened?
I spin.
Hey, you okay? You're good, you're good. You're good, babe. You're still good, you're good. This is it. Huh? Yeah. That's a very big lake. Look how they took their snowmobiles.
Isn't it frozen?
Huh?
Isn't it frozen?
Yeah, it's frozen. You can walk on it, but I wouldn't. We are at Hebgen Lake. Actually, on this lake, on August 17th, 1959, there was an earthquake happened at this lake, which caused a sister lake to be formed right downstream, which is, you know, named to be known Quake Lake, which is very funny. But big brown trout, rainbow trout, averaging about 19 inches. Dan, let's go fishing. You want to?
I'm ready.
We'll get them big augers down there.
Yeah, we'll go ice.
Yeah, let's go ice fishing.
Yeah.
Want to just ride snowmobiles down there?
No.
You don't want to? It looks like people have. Oh. Well, I'm in a little bit of a predicament here. I'm my little legs, my 5 foot, what? Well, how deep would you say this was? Well, I'm 5 foot and it's up to my waist. So that's probably what, 1 foot? That means I'm 2 foot tall, right? No, but no joke. You can see how deep this dang snow is right here. All right, let's see if we can't get out of here.